Hi guys, my name's Natalie. I'm a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator. Some of you might know me as Gaga Lady UK on Instagram and Twitter. I am here bringing you this Lady Gaga jazz and piano set kind of recreation. I have used, I believe, the same products used to create this look on her, and I have recreated the wig myself. I'll be linking everything down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. First, I'm going to start off by priming my face with L'Oreal's Infallible Matte Primer. Just going to do a little jizz all over my face. Oh god, I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in the colour NW25. That's my colour, maybe not your colour. And I'm going to just pop that around my eyes as kind of a little base, because I'm gonna do something I never do, and that's my eyes first. Tappy tappy. I'm just gonna set that with some Stay Matte powder by Rimmel and the A01 brush by Spectrum, and this is 001 transparent. Should know this already, but I don't. I'm gonna use the Haus Labs Glam Attack liquid eyeshadow in the colour Aphrodite. I'm going to go all over my lid and a bit underneath as well. I love this stuff, it's actually really good. I kind of thought when Gaga was bringing out makeup, I was like, this is going to be great, and it is. So you want to get it right up in the brow bone as well. Then I'm going to take the shade Rose Bitch, and I'm going to go into my crease and create a sort of winged effect with that, and then again I'm going to go a little bit underneath. Go about halfway into your lid as well. Tappy tappy. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid in 23 True Beige. I've got the Real Techniques blending sponge, and just tap that out. And then around the eye you just want to be careful, but also you want to clean it up so that it has that kind of swooping effect. Going back to my concealer, I'm just going to do a bit of lifting of areas where I've got some shadows I don't really like. And I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow, the first one, Aphrodite, to do a bit of highlighting on my face. I think that this is actually a really good highlighter as well. I'm going to set that with the same setting powder that I used on my eyes. Now I'm going to take Back to Bronze by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to contour the regular areas of my face. So I just like to go underneath my cheekbone. Oh, sorry. This is the Spectrum A04 brush. And I'm just taking it under my cheekbone and kind of to near my lip. Bring it down into the neck so you don't have like a weird beard situation. Now I'm taking Life's a Peach by L'Oreal, and I'm going to take the C03 brush, and I'm just going to do a little bit of blushing. I'm taking my Spectrum B06 brush, and I'm going to contour my nose now, just using the same contour. And I'm taking it from about the tip of my eyebrow down straight to where kind of my nostril starts to curve. And then I'm just going to make a little like McDonald's sign on the top of my nose. And then underneath to get a little kind of divot. Now I'm taking the Haus Laboratories liquid felt tip eyeliner. This is amazing. Like, I had a favorite before and this is my new favorite. Start by kind of angling the pen underneath my lower lash line to find where I want the flick to come up, and then I just like to lay the nib of the pen on that area and just kind of take it so that the nib's doing the work. You don't really have to do anything, you don't have to draw a line, you just lean it there. Then I'm just gonna take the wing that I've created and trace a line, again using the edge of the pen so it's doing most of the work, and I'm going to take that to the middle of my eye. I'm going to pull a fucking weird face whilst I do it. Then I'm going to go from the inner corner of my eye and just draw the line to meet the wing. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to brush them into the general shape that I want. I always do my eyebrows with just eyeshadow. I don't see the point in buying another product for it, but you use what you want to use really. I'm just going to, this is the wrong fucking palette. I'm just going to take a general kind of neutral shades eyeshadow palette and fill in my eyebrows with a brown shade. I'm going to use the Spectrum A14 brush to do this. I'm going to start with the line underneath. I'm just going to flick upwards. And then I'm going to exaggerate my arch. Now for Lady Gaga's beauty spot. It is on the right side, I think. I'm going to take this like little kind of bullet tipped brush. It's the A19 Spectrum brush, and I'm going to take the same palette. First I'm going to take this kind of neutral brownish shade and just place a dot. Then I'm going to take the same shade I did to do my eyebrows and place a smaller dot inside that to give it some depth. And then I'm going to take the black and place an even smaller dot inside that. And that kind of gives it more of a 3D effect. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes and mascara them. I'm now taking the double extension L'Oreal mascara, white then black. And just wiggle it into the roots, and make sure you get your tops as well, because when you blink people will see that. You can't see it but other people can. And then just kind of swoop it along the bottom lashes a tiny bit. Now I'm going to take the RIP lip liner in the shade Supermodel. This stuff is amazing because it genuinely does go on like a lip liner but feel like a lipstick when it's on, and it lasts forever. So I'm just going to line just within my lip line. And then just fill it in. I'm now going to take my Wispies by Ardell, and they are the faux mink Wispies, and the black lash duo. Just pop a little bit on your hand. Take a lash in your tweezers and just swipe it along so you've got enough glue on the entire lash to be able to pop on your eyes. And then I'm just going to pop them back in the pan so that the lash glue can get a bit tacky. Just going to take the lash in my tweezers and drop it on top. It is helpful if you look down whilst you're doing this, because then you've exposed your entire lid. So I drop them in the middle, then pull the corner. And now I'm going to use a black wig cap because I want it to look like I've got dark roots. The wig that I'm about to show you I can do with dark roots, but I didn't see much of a point with my hair colour, and with a black wig cap the same effect will be achieved. So this is the wig that I have made for this tutorial. This is available on my Etsy store, which I'll put the link down below in the description box for. It's the jazz and piano set Lady Gaga wig. Gorgeous. I love her. Thank you for watching my video featuring predominantly Haus Labs products. I will be linking all of the products down below in the description box, and I will also link where you can get this wig from, which is my Etsy store. I make them custom. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, and what you want to see next. And I hope you'll have an amazing day. Mwah!